Welcome to my channel. My name is Shanae, and if you guys are new here, welcome. Now, while you guys are here, go ahead and make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that like, and go ahead and make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload videos. But I have an exciting video for you guys today. Today is going to be a hair review, and if you guys want to see what I have to review for you guys today, then keep watching. So today's hair review is going to be brought to you guys by Niseyo. I can't pronounce their name, but it was a hair company that was nice enough to send me their crochet hair, but it's going to be the butterfly locks, and they were so nice enough to send me their hair today for me to review for you guys. And this is the hair right here. I was up to like about 3 o'clock this morning doing my hair. This hair is a 12-inch, and it comes with 6 packs of hair, and it comes with this little nice little crochet latch right here. It comes with 6 packs of hair. The hair is the color 1B, and I only use 4 packs of the hair. So let me go ahead and show you guys how the hair looks. So this is how the hair looks right here. As you guys can see, like the little butterflies, a little distress of the hair to get the little butterfly effect. I think that is really, really cute. And then I just went on ahead and add in some hair jewelry into my hair. Sorry for the noise in the background. My nieces and nephews are over here, and my kids are awake, so you probably hear a little bit of rumbling and loudness in the background. So just a disclaimer, okay? But I really do like the hair. The only thing that I can say that I had a hard time with is try on some of the locks. I had a hard time when opening up the loop right here. But other than that, I love how the hair came out. I decided to put it up in a ponytail today. Just had these falling right here. And then knowing that I have my alopecia, I just tried to cover it up just a little bit. But it's really doing a good job. And I'm trying to get used to how it's framing my face. But my husband, he loves it, and I really do. I like it too, but I just got to get used to it being short. But overall, the hair is beautiful. It's really, really nice. Let's get into the tutorial. guys so much for watching and tuning in to my hair review today and tutorial. I want to thank you so much to Niseyo Hair for sending me this hair to review on my channel. You can find this hair on Amazon, and this hair goes for $34. And this is the Butterfly Locks crochet hair, and this is a 12-inch in the color 1B. So let me give you a little spin around one more time. But thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, go ahead and make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that like, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.